Alright, quick news update. It looks like crypto lender Genesis is going to be the next crypto firm to be filing for bankruptcy. Let's talk about it. Now, this news came out on the 18th of January according to a Bloomberg report, and it looks like they could be looking to file for bankruptcy as soon as this week, but potentially, by the end of February. Now, if we do come over to Bloomberg Law, where this initial report came out, they've stated that Genesis is laying the groundwork for a bankruptcy filing as soon as this week, according to people with knowledge on the situation. Now, why this is a big deal is Genesis is relatively big in terms of, how much money they've got in this ecosystem. Genesis currently owes creditors more than $3 billion, and its customers have been unable to withdraw funds since November. Now, this week as well, DCG halted its quarterly dividend payments to shareholders indefinitely as it tries to preserve liquidity. And we'll come over to this point right at the end of the video. But if we do come over to Genesis's Twitter, what you can see is, they have not been posting since the 16th of November. So they've been inactive for quite a while, which is definitely a worrying sign. If you go over to their tweets and replies, you can also see, this was literally the last tweet. This was literally the last thread that they tweeted out. Now, I'm going to come over to the most important part over on this thread. This is, of course, because of, what we've been talking about on the channel. FreeArc became insolvent, FTX became insolvent, and we told you when this was going to happen. A bunch of smaller exchanges, a bunch of smaller crypto lenders underneath them were also going to become insolvent. So they tweeted this out on the 16th that the default of FreeArc and obviously FTX negatively impacted their liquidity. If we scroll down a bit further, you can see they've stated, however, FTX has created unprecedented market turmoil, resulting in abnormal withdrawal requests which have exceeded our current liquidity. This is old news, just wanted to, make sure that you're aware of this nonetheless. And they stated basically that we have taken the difficult decision to temporarily suspend redemptions. Now, of course, this is not temporary. This has been 2 months now, and once again, it looks like Bloomberg reports are suggesting that they've got insider information that Genesis should be filing for bankruptcy. This is, obviously, Bloomberg is a pretty reliable source, so I would be saying that this is factual, but you obviously do have to bear in mind this has not been 100% confirmed yet. But the fact that they have refused to comment on this, they were asked questions about this the other day, and they refused to comment. And once again, they've paused withdrawals a while ago, and like we looked at in the first article, they also this week have halted its quarterly dividend payments to shareholders to preserve its liquidity. Now, the final thing I want to talk about is, while Genesis owes creditors $3 billion, $900 million of that is owed to the customers of Gemini, the crypto exchange owned by the Winklevoss brothers. Now, the Winklevoss brothers and Gemini have yet to make a comment over on this. The last time they made a comment was about 9 days ago, and this was in correlation to their most recent SEC charges. If you didn't know, the SEC is currently going after both Genesis and Gemini for the unregistered offer and sale of crypto asset securities through the Gemini Earn lending program. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, Genesis looks like it's going to be going insolvent, and Gemini might be next. So once again, as always, I'll keep you up to date on this. Stay very careful. Make sure you get your cryptocurrencies out of exchanges. Make sure you get a hardware wallet. That's all I've got for you for this video. If you enjoy the content, make sure to let me know down below by leaving a like and a comment. Share the videos with your friends. And if you want more of my posts, memes, data, news events, be sure to follow me over on Twitter at 618_cowboy. That's all I've got for today. It's been your boy Cowboy Trades. I'm out. Peace.